In one of our previous episodes, we have showed you one interesting tripod that was Manfrotto BeFree model, for which we said that it was the excellent mixture between price and quality. Here we have another edition of Manfrotto tripods, which can mess up a bit that our statement. Stay with us on Smart Photo Reviews channel. The model we're having here today is Manfrotto Element Traveller Kit Big. Color is red. This tripod is available in 4 different colors: red, blue, gray and black. About major specifications, its height is 164 centimeters or 64.5 inches. When it's completely folded, it's 42 centimeters or 16.5 inches. Weight of this tripod kit is 1.61 kilograms or 3.5 pounds. Maximum load capacity is 8 kilos or 17.6 pounds. Which is also interesting about this tripod, that it comes in 4 different colors, so you can choose the one you like. When we open the box, here's what we have. The tripod is concealed in this carrying pouch or carrying bag. This bag is of higher quality than most of the previous we have tested, which is a big plus, especially if we consider the price of this tripod. Inside we have well-protected tripod inside this plastic bag, and here we have our little star of the day, this Manfrotto Element Travel Tripod Kit Big of a red color. Let's see what else we have in this carrying bag. Something bit me. I'm just kidding. We have here instructions. We have 3 Allen keys. We have 3 screwable spikes for the end of the tripod legs, and also we have adapting screw for attaching different types of head regarding of their diameter. Here's the tripod. It looks very much similar to the BeFree edition of tripods. It's the same system of folding the legs upside down to make it as compact as possible. We will put it in some basic working position like this, release the central column and put it down, and it's some kind of basic working position of this tripod. So as usual, let's start from the top of this tripod. On the top we have something different. We have Arca type quick release plate with its own screw, which is not that common when it comes to Manfrotto. It's excellent addition because it's compatible with a large number of other accessories, this Arca type adapter. Then we have a ball head. This ball head is rotated like this when you open this screw. When you want to change the orientation of the ball head, landscape or portrait, this is a big screw that controls it. One thing that this ball head doesn't have is a friction screw, which in fact maybe it even doesn't need, because you can adjust the friction also with this screw, just not tightening the ball head completely. Also, you can completely, as usual, remove the ball head if you want to put another type of head here, like this, And not only head, you can also remove this plate or the base of the bulkhead by unscrewing this plate. And then you have this adapter screw here, which you can rotate and change the diameter that fits other types of heads on this tripod. Now a few words about this center column. You can release the center column by releasing or turning anti-clockwise direction this wheel here. It's not screw type, it's wheel. And if you want to go with this central column more down for some macro photography, you can unscrew this little hook which is here for extra weight as a mode of stabilizing the tripod even more. And you can release like this central column, turn it the other way around, and then attach it like this and turn completely the whole camera around and very close to the ground if you need to. Now let's see how we adjust the angle of the legs and how the tripod looks like when it's fully extended. First of all, you adjust the angle of the legs by pushing this lever and then releasing the leg upwards, and we have 3 clicks, 3 angles. Here's 1, 2 and 3. We will leave them in this third position because it's the maximum working position. After we extend the legs. The legs are extended by the means of these wheels or these knobs. You can turn them in one hand motion and tighten them in several motions. That's the first leg. Here's the second. And the third one also. Here it is. We'll put the tripod on the ground. Okay. And we will extend this central column to its maximum. And here it is. It's the maximum working position of this tripod. As you can see, it's really well balanced because with your equipment here, it's completely acceptable for people of my height, which is around 190 centimeters. That is 6.2, a little bit more than 6.2 feet. As you can see, the maximum working height of this tripod is excellent. You know what is going to be next. It's our stability test. As usual, we have 70 to 200 millimeters lens attached to Nikon Z6 camera. We have zoomed to maximum of 200 millimeters. We have turned the stabilizer off. We have focused on the background and we have zoomed the image on 100%. Now, after it's stabilized, we will bump the lens a little bit and count how much it takes in seconds to completely stabilize the image. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it took 8 seconds to completely stabilize the image. One of the most interesting features of this Manfrotto Element tripod is that it can be modified to work as a monopod. In fact, you can take this leg that has extra padding here for cold climate and just unscrew this leg. I will show you how to make it into a monopod. Then you unmount the head all together with the plate and mount them back on this leg like this. Yeah, it takes some time, but not too much. Like this. And when you release the legs, the leg, now it's only one leg, you have one excellent little monopod that you can use instead of tripod when you don't need 3 legs, when you need just one. So a few words about good stuff or positives about this Manfrotto Element Tripod. First of all, we have an Arca type of quick release plate, which is excellent addition. The load capacity of the tripod and head is excellent. It's 8 kilos or around 16 pounds, which is also excellent. This central column has on its bottom this little hook for attaching additional support when you need it. Also, the size of this tripod when it's completely folded upside down, as you saw in the beginning, is excellent, like BeFree series. The release system of the legs is also very handy and very quick to use. And maybe the biggest positive feature of this tripod is this padded leg that can be released, unscrewed, and made into a full working monopod. This is maybe the biggest advantage of this tripod, because you have practically 2 accessories in one. And a few words about downsides or flaws or not so good stuff about this tripod. First of all, when you first touch this tripod, you can feel that finalizing of the materials is not so well as with some other tripods we had a chance to test, because it had to be fit into this price range to suit most of the people. Also, these anodized aluminum parts are prone to scratches, and we have seen some appearance of the scratches even after a few minutes of usage. What can we say about the leg? This leg that is meant to be transformed into a monopod has to be tightened up really well if you don't want to end up unscrewing the leg instead of these little sections of the leg. So either tighten this up really well or don't tighten that much these 4 little wheels. We would like to see another screw on the bulkhead for controlling friction also, but it would be maybe over the top, because in this price range I think you get exactly what you are willing to pay for. So if you're looking for something most affordable that has a reputation of Manfrotto tripods, then this tripod is the best option for you. If you're willing to spend a little bit more, then still the best buy tripod, in our opinion, is Manfrotto BeFree tripod. So that's it for today. Please subscribe to our channel if you like what we are doing. Comment below, ask questions. We would be more than happy to reply. Like our video, and until next time, we are saying goodbye from Smart Photo Review channel.